Hi, my name is Shubhdha Ashok and I'm lead designer at Zyeta. Callaway is a global sports equipment company that specializes in the sales, design and manufacturing of golf accessories and equipment. Zyeta was given the opportunity through 𝗪𝘁𝗄 to design their very first Digi-tech office in Hyderabad. This office was to house a total of 200 employees. The proposal given was to design a work ecosystem that is exuberant, fun and convivial in nature and at the same time resonates with Callaway's brand identity. So how was this done? This was done by taking inspiration from an actual golf clubhouse's footprint, where one would enter into the arrival zone and pro shop while taking a glance of all of Callaway's merchandise, following which they would go to play around and have refreshments along with their peers, and finally engage in business at the actual work zone. But why stop here? Callaway's intent was to infuse the brand's identity into the overall workspace. They say to know a man's true nature, you need to play golf with him. So why not let the employees play golf within the workspace? This was done by designing a putting green as an extension from the cafe with a good ingress of natural light, which made people believe that they were actually playing outdoors. In addition to this, a lifelike simulator experience was also provided that made employees feel like they were playing within an actual driving range. The best part about this was that this driving range would also double up as a space for people to lounge and collaborate, and at the same time would also suffice as a space for a town hall for all their employees. The visual intent for this workspace was to respect the true nature of materials along with a neutral color palette. This was accentuated through hues of green and neon lights that were an inspiration from Topgolf's establishment. This vast usage of green also catered to employee well-being that was an integral factor to Callaway's work ethic. This, along with the extensive use of natural daylight into the workspace and biophilia, also allows for physical and psychological well-being of the employees. All in all, the Callaway experience promotes the work hard and play hard approach.